So in this demonstration, we're going to talk about firefighter and/or victim removal from a structure, utilizing the halo harness. You'll need a 20-foot section of webbing for the halo harness. For the halo harness, we're going to take our 20-foot section of webbing and make a halo around our victim. Whether it's a firefighter or a victim within a structure, we're going to make a big halo around the person themselves. So as soon as we get the webbing, the halo webbing around our victim, all we're going to do is step over the top of them and move their arms to the outside and pull the webbing inside their armpits. We're going to hold that webbing. We're going to move down, pick up their leg, come through their leg, their groin. And what I like to do, so I don't have to let go of the webbing anymore, is bring my arms, my hands through the webbing, follow their body up, refine that webbing underneath their armpit, and we're just going to pull up the webbing up, and now we have a harness that we can turn around, pull a victim out, or if I have a buddy, they can take one side, I can take the other side, and we can do a two-person firefighter drag out of the structure. So it's quick, simple, down and dirty. It's a harness that allows you to get a grip on any type of person and get them out of the structure as quickly as possible.